Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up aquarium oxygen. Maintaining adequate oxygen levels is crucial for the health of your aquatic inhabitants. Fish, like all living creatures, require oxygen to survive, and a well-oxygenated tank prevents many common issues. We will cover the essential components and steps to ensure your fish have a thriving environment. Let's dive into the details of creating a perfectly oxygenated aquarium for your finned friends. There are several effective ways to oxygenate your aquarium. Air pumps, connected to air stones, create fine bubbles that increase surface agitation and gas exchange. Power filters also contribute significantly by disturbing the water surface. Additionally, live aquatic plants perform photosynthesis, releasing oxygen into the water during the day. Combining these methods often provides the best results for a healthy, oxygen-rich environment. Setting up an air pump and air stone is straightforward. First, place your air pump above the water level to prevent backsiphoning, or use a check valve for safety. Connect one end of the airline tubing to the pump and the other to your air stone. Submerge the air stone, ideally placing it near the bottom of the tank. This allows the bubbles to travel the full height of the water column, maximizing oxygen transfer. Monitoring your aquarium's oxygen levels is vital for long-term success. Watch your fish for signs of distress, such as rapid gill movement or gasping at the surface. Ensure your air stones are clean and producing consistent bubbles. Clean them regularly to prevent clogging. Routine water changes, typically 25% of the tank volume every 1 to 2 weeks, also help maintain optimal oxygen and water quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.